Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Mum and I are cooking this delicious Persian dish called baxali pilaf. I can't wait to share it with you beauties. Before we jump into the video, I want to say a massive thank you to our beautiful sponsors, TAHDIG. I have been using this brand for several years now. If you remember from one of my old videos, they sent over their Serene Ultra Plush Australian cotton towels, and you guys, this is the perfect go-to product for me to have because we just finished renovating our home and this was perfect. I just plopped one right here on the bath and the other one in front of the shower. Now these towels are quite heavy and extremely soft to touch. Now because of their softness and their weight, it's very absorbing, so it's like perfect, especially if you shower like me and you have thick hair. These are great towels to use constantly. They also have a luxe set which comes with 2 washcloths, 2 towels and 2 bath sheets, which is perfect. I go through these towels quite a bit every week because I use them also to help me, you know, with my makeup, my day-to-day, my skincare routine, so it's perfect. I absolutely adore the color as well, and I'm going to be linking them below also. I just put these really cute washcloths in these little placeholders, and I like to roll a few up just on the side for others to use. They were also very kind enough to send over their Remy cashmere throw, and let me tell you, if you're looking for a soft blanket, this is it. I got the color camel. Now this is made of 100% grade A Mongolian cashmere. It's very large and it is perfect. You can also use it as a scarf. It's breathable and you can use it to style your couch or year round. Thank you so much TAHDIG. As always, I'm going to be linking them below. Definitely check them out and let me know what you think. Now this meal is very quick and easy to prep. All you have to do is add 1 cup of rice for each person in a pot. We're going to add a little bit of salt, and the trick is to add a tiny bit of olive oil so the rice does not stick. We're going to let this simmer for a little bit, and we're going to add broad beans to it and some dill. So once you see the rice is cooking a little bit, not 100% way through, but maybe 70%, we're going to drain the rice. Now once it's drained, in another pot we're going to add a nice amount of olive oil and butter, so the chicken that we're going to be placing is going to come out easily and it's going to be really nice and crispy. Now we're using chicken breast here, and we're just going to place it in different places in the pot, and we're going to let this simmer for a bit. Look how good this looks, so crispy, so good. Now once this is going, we're going to be adding a little bit of seasoning, salt, pepper and any spices that you desire. We have a long list that we like to add, but this depends on your taste buds. Once you flip the chicken, you can re-add the rice back into the pot, and we're going to let this sit for about 20 minutes. But the trick is to have a towel wrapped around the lid of the pot. Now this makes the rice much more crispy. You can add a little bit of olive oil to it too. Now this is such an amazing trick that parents do. Now they flip the pot and then you have the crispy on the top ready to be served. You guys, we finished the entire meal. It smells delicious. How long was the duration? How long does it take? 30 minutes. It's very quick and easy, but it tastes absolutely amazing. So let's see. We flipped it. We flipped it. Let's see the results. Ooh, we have something called TAHDIG, which is like really nice crispy rice. If you smell this, it's, I don't even know what to say. It looks absolutely amazing. The TAHDIG is the best part. So crispy. Hope you beauties enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out TAHDIG in the description below and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.
Thank you.
Bye.